What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the video recording issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the next solution is force stop the camera app. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera, and then in camera scroll down and click on force stop icon, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after doing this, the video recording issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is clear cache memory of camera app. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open camera. Now scroll down and click on storage, and from here click on this clear cache option to clear the cache memory of camera. So just simply tap on this option and then the cache memory will be cleared and camera will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue while recording a video, then the last solution is try updating your mobile software. So to update, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now here check if you have any available update for your mobile software, then tap on download to download the software update. And after updating your mobile software, the camera will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.